Hello friends, here I am going to show you the original result of my Vivo charger which I am showing on Draz and other apps. Look at this finishing good quality charger of Vivo for Vivo. I am showing you the result with the 6 ampere original cable, uh, 6 ampere original cable quality with 3.0 charging. I am going to show you. The cable quality is so beautiful with the rubber coated, not a flat or a PVC. It's a rubber coated. Look at the results of this cable. I'm showing you with this Vivo charger. I'm going to plug. Type C cable with the Vivo mobile phone. Click. Fast charging. You can see fast charging sporting Vivo Y51s mobile phone, Y51s Vivo. They are showing the dual engine charging. Look at fast charging with 6 ampere 3.0 cable. Now I'm going to plug this cable with the Infinix charger for the performance of cable. I'm going to plug Infinix charger, and you can see it's a fast charging. Fast charging. The cable performance is so high. Now I'm going to connect it with another phone like Oppo. Now I'm going to plug this cable in Oppo charger for checking the performance. This is a Oppo charger and my cable I'm going to plug for performance check. Now this is Oppo mobile phone. I'm going to plug this cable for performance checking. Superbook 33 watt output for mobile phone. You can check this cable performance is so beautiful and highly I recommend to the persons who broke their cables and lost their cables. Buy this cable from me, only 350 rupees. 6 ampere. This cable can support 120 watt charger also. Thank you for watching my video. Friends, purchase this cable from me. You can watch the complete video and subscribe my channel. The cable price is 350 rupees in Pakistan, and I deliver it in also in Gujranwala. Which person cannot come to the shop, I will deliver it. Delivery charges are not included in 350 rupees.